Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this morning I was just explaining to Mrs. Lock Noob that I bought myself an interesting padlock and it just came with a free pair of undergarments. But she didn't seem to be very impressed by that. She normally loves a bargain. Nevertheless, I will make a picking video of this lock. So it came with a rather nice ribbon with some keys attached to it, and if we look at those keys, just take this ribbon off, you'll see that it is a warded lock. It has little keys. Now these are very small, so a standard set of warded lock picks just won't really fit inside this lock. But like most warded locks, it's the tip here that really matters when it comes to opening up this lock. Now I have a little bypass driver here. You probably use the tip of a strong pick, and what you have to do is go past the warding plate and just do that, and you essentially just go inside and move a small locking latch, meaning that the lock will open. Sometimes these don't have a locking latch, sometimes they are two pieces of wire which you sort of have to expand apart, but I think there's a small latch in this one. So there we go. Now, what you could do, if you were so inclined, you could maybe upgrade the locking mechanism by putting in something a bit more secure, like this Abloy Protect 2. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. If you have any comments, leave them below. And of course, I'll see you all next time. And now I've finally got my lock costume sorted.